Easily transfer a client subscription to another accountant, bookkeeper, or directly to the client. To do this, access the relevant client from your list. Navigate to the Product section and click Transfer Subscriptions. A sidebar opens from where you can view the status of the transfer once it's in progress. To progress, click here. The active subscriptions you earn on behalf of the client are displayed, notifying that transferring ownership of those subscriptions will result in loss of access for all users of the existing practice. To progress, click Continue. Choose to transfer ownership of this client's subscriptions to another accountant, bookkeeper, or the client. It's important to note that the designated accountant or bookkeeper must be using Sage for Accountants to facilitate the transfer. To transfer the subscriptions to another accountant or bookkeeper, select this option and enter their accountant ID. This is a client management unique code assigned to each practice and can be retrieved from the invitations area in client management. Run the check to validate that the correct ID is entered and click Continue. Review the terms and conditions, and once you are happy, select this checkbox. To send the transfer request, click here. A success message appears to say the subscription transfer has been sent. To view the status of the transfer, go back to Products and click Transfer Subscriptions. The accountant then has 30 days to accept or decline. Accepted transfers shift ownership and associated costs to the new practice. In case you need to revoke the invitation, you can do so from here. Note that this must be done before the transfer invitation is accepted. Click the Revoke Transfer Invitation button. A prompt appears advising that by revoking this transfer request, you will cancel the in-progress transfer request and retain ownership, costs, and access to all subscriptions. To confirm the revoke of the transfer request, click here, or to cancel this, click here. To transfer the subscriptions to the client, select this option and select the preferred user from the Users with Access drop-down list. If no users are invited, or to transfer the subscription ownership to someone not shown in the list, you can add them by clicking Invite Client. Enter the relevant information, and to send the invitation, click here. Once invited, they will have to accept the invitation first, before showing the list of users with access. Then click Continue. Review the terms and conditions, and if you are happy, select this checkbox. To confirm the transfer request, click here. A success message confirms the transfer and advises that you will receive a notification upon completion. The notification bell will update in the top navigation bar to show there's a notification waiting. The subscriptions shift to the client, removing them from your client list and stopping payment after the next billing cycle. A 30-day free trial period then begins for the client. You've now learned how to transfer client subscriptions to other practices and directly to the client.